Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today, well, we're gonna go canoeing on the Rum River. We're gonna do part of it today, and it's gonna be awesome. So I thought I'd make a video and have you guys come along with. So I just want you to see the canoe because it's massive. That's the canoe that we're taking. Absolutely massive. We just got rain, so it's a little messy, but you know, this is gonna be awesome. So I will see you on the river. We're just heading out. We're going.
Don't be alarmed, but I accidentally backed my car into the barn.
I heard.
And we are going to the Rum River, and we are gonna plant it in. But first, we have to head to Walmart.
Forward, like
I'll see you at the river. Okay, we're at the river, and we're about to take the canoe out. That's just beautiful. So I'll see you when we're actually on the river. We are on the river right now, and we're just a little bit in, maybe 10 minutes in, and we're just cruising down the river. And I'll check in with you later, so see you later. We just found something weird. See that thing down there? I think that's a mailbox. I'm fishing, so I don't know what it is. Check in with you later. We have not gone very far, my dad says. Yippee. This might be a long day, but you know, this is gonna be a fun day. That's not good. Well, I'll check in with you a little later. We found a boat. Weird. Why would there be a boat out here? Dad, do you know why there'd be a boat out here?
I would guess because people like to go boating out here.
Yeah, I guess. That's odd.
Well, people live along the river.
Yeah. That's a metal boat. Well, checking with you later. Here's the boat. That's kind of weird, but cool. This is really weird, but really cool. What? Oh. Look. Weird. Except for the one over there. I saw one over there.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Okay, turn it off.
We right now at the golf course. We found a golf course along there. It's over there. You can kind of see a few flags. Not really though, but there's a golf course. Yep, there's a golf course there. We just found a turtle, and it's a snapper, and it's huge. Look. It's huge. Approaching it. Probably shouldn't be though. Oh, it's going into the water. There it goes. It's gone. First turtle find of the day is right up there. Oh shoot. Well, checking with you guys after we get out of this. Oh,
Males and two males.
there goes the ducks. We found some ducks. They flew away. We just found a tire. That's kind of odd. Weird. We found a goose. right there. Weird. We just found a house right next to the river. Right there. Right next to the river. Oh, some more houses. It's like a neighborhood. Oh yeah. Well, that's all for now. We just found a boat and a sign that says Kelly and a boat trailer and a solar powered light. There's a boat and some other stuff in there. That's neat. Log.
Those are baby eagles right there.
Whoa, these are bald eagles. We are seeing bald eagles, people. Whoa. 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 There's one right there. Whoa. So cool. There's a turtle up there. I don't know if you can see it or not.
Don't stand up.
But there's a turtle all the way up there. It is humongous. That's huge. That's a turtle. And it's just there. Let's go back, Dad.
Get this out of here.
That's a turtle.
Push off with your paddle on
That's
the
odd.
turtle side.
Another bald eagle in that tree. It's right there. He's just right there. Cool. Whoa. He's just right there. Oh, he's just sitting right there. That's cool. Those are deer. They're just doing their thing. Running along. There they go. And we are back at home. Thanks for coming along on the adventure of the Rum River. And I will see you guys next time.